Hello Adobe Express users, want to add a professional touch to your designs with columns? Let me show you how to add columns in just few simple steps. Let's go. Start by opening the Adobe Express app and either create a new project or open an existing design that you want to work on. Tap on the text tool to add your text elements. For creating columns, the easiest way is to use grid system. To do this, tap on layout or grids depending on your version. Choose the column layout that fits your design, whether you want to add 2, 3, or more columns. Drag your text or images into the designated areas of the columns. Adjust the width and alignment of your columns to fit your design style perfectly. Your design is now neatly organized with columns and making it look more structured and professional. If the text is too cramped, adjust the margins between columns or resize the text box to create more breathing space. Do you prefer working with columns in your designs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.